So Jen and I wanted to maybe take a minute and just talk to you about our business. We're really fortunate, blessed to do quite a bit of volume while a lot of people are struggling. We've probably talked to 20 sellers over the last 60 days or so. We know what's on sellers' minds right now. And we've also worked with a few buyers that we've really hit some home runs for the buyers. So we just kind of wanted to, instead of giving you facts and figures, kind of just talk about our business for a minute. And because I think it might really help you relate to what's really going on out there right now.
Yeah, that's right. So we've gone on many listing appointments over the last 30 days. And what we're seeing is that the sellers that are in the market currently have a very compelling reason to sell, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, they really need to sell. We see, unfortunately, divorce, relocation,
Yeah.
even needing to take care of family members. We've
Yeah.
had a couple of those as well. So sellers that are selling right now have a big why.
They do. And so what that advantage for a buyer is, if they've got the right person in the steering the car, so to speak, then that's leverage for them if they know what they're doing, right?
Yeah, for sure. So the sellers, it's really important to make your best first impression. So we want to do everything on the front end. In this market, we got one chance to make a first impression. So we do all of the heavy lifting before we actually put the home on the market. We use every technology available to us. We're Zillow Premier Agent, Zillow Showcase Listing Agent. So we really want to go all in on that first week. And it's really helping our sellers get their home sold, where a lot of sellers, I think the last time I saw, up to 40% of listings are taking price reductions on a weekly basis. So some of our sellers have had to take price reductions, but I don't think we need to do it as much as some others. What about the buyers?
So with buyers, what we're seeing is they're a little bit nervous about the higher rates, but with us, we reassure them that with some negotiating power behind you, there's the ability to potentially negotiate so that you can have some of your interest rate paid for. We're also seeing our buyers being able to win when it comes to getting things fixed. So don't be nervous about maybe the home isn't the shining diamond. These sellers need to sell, and they're willing to do some of those repairs that maybe you wouldn't want to do.
And I think we've really hit some home runs for buyers here recently. Our last two buyers, and this is why the agent you hire matters.
Absolutely.
I'm not just saying, obviously we'd like to work with you, but make sure you're hiring the right agent because it matters. Our last two buyers, we've been able to negotiate purchase prices up to $25,000 under their appraised value.
That's right.
Which is crazy in this market. And to be honest with you, one of the reasons, obviously, we know what we're doing, but the listing agents didn't really price their homes right. They didn't know what things were really worth. And so we were able to take advantage of, or at least our buyers were able to take advantage of those things. So having local knowledge matters, especially in this market when a lot of sellers, they're just, they're not really realistic as to, what homes are worth these days. So,
and we're not seeing prices drop either. Most of what we're seeing is just a lot of negotiating on repair items, and don't be afraid that you're going to overpay for a home, because if you hire the right person, potentially you could walk away with equity already in your pocket when you turn the key and step through the door.
So if you're thinking about buying or selling, we'd love an opportunity to talk about our business, how we do business, how we are just killing it for both our sellers and our buyers.
That's right. So reach out to us if you need some advice or some help or guidance. We're always here to help. Ciao for now.